Good afternoon. I want to welcome you back to the farm. I'm going to do another little taste test. I got a couple of new cucumber varieties that have come in, and we're going to try them. The first one is Bristol, and this one's kind of small. I've got another one that's big, and I picked them hard yesterday, and sold every one of them at the farm stand. So don't have a whole lot to choose for. They haven't set fruit yet. So Bristol, it's a slicer. Oh, let me get another one. I really like the way these look. Speedway has been my, as far as slicer, has been my standard. This right here is going to replace it, I think. It's called Bristol. It's a F1. It's got a delicious taste to it. Super sweet. And it's been dry now. Very little seeds. Good flesh, good color. These things sold like wildcat. Oh, it's like crazy yesterday. This is my other variety. I've got three. I had three new varieties. One has not come in yet. This is from Baker's Creek, and I think it's called Monkia moniker. It's kind of like a Gershon type, kind of like a Corten that I grow. Didn't sell any of these. I only had 4 or 5 of them, and they're just now starting to come in. But if the name's not right, I'll put it down here below what the right name is. So I planted 2 from, drop that one. I planted 2 from Baker's Creek, picklers, and I can't remember which one's which from my memory, but I've got it marked upstairs in the house. So this is, we'll try it and see. I mean, it's okay. I like the Corten better. I like the homegrown better. It's kind of bland. Not as crunchy as the other one. So let me try a different one. So let's try a bigger size. That one's might have been too young. This is a little bit bigger. Yeah. If I'm gonna do these, I need to wait till they get a little bigger, because that's better, got more crunch, got better flavor to it too. The other one was little, it's just too bland. So there you go, 2 more varieties of taste test. I really like this. It's called Bristol. I think this is gonna be my standard. I just put just a few in just to test it, and I think I'm gonna put quite a bit more in. This will be my new favorite. I really like this one, and I just like the way it looks, and it sells real good, and of course the flavor's the key, so it tastes really good. Speedway tastes good too, but I think this one, if Speedway's a 9, it's a 9.8. So the other one, as far as pickler, I think I like the homegrown. I've got maybe 3 or 4 more I was going to test, but it just depends on the weather, I guess. Might be a next year thing, we'll never know. So we'll find out. I mean, we will know, we'll find out eventually. All right, appreciate you watching. 2 new varieties, 2 taste tests. The Bristol will be my new standard slicer going forward. Next year I'll go big on it. Of course, I'll keep trying some more. Anything new comes out, I'll try as far as cucumbers. And I'm about decided on the homegrown as my pickler, but I'm gonna reserve judgment on that. All right, appreciate you watching. Support your local farmer. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you down here in the farm next video.